Hi everyone, this is Professor P.A. Gule and today's my topic is important features of regulated market. We had already seen what exactly regulated market is. Today we are going to see important features of regulated market. Okay. In that, first one, method of sale. Okay, method of sale is the important feature of regulated market. The sale of agriculture produce undertaken the open auction or tender method. In recent year, e-auction or online auction has introduced in some market. Okay, in this method, ensure the fair and competitive price for the produce and prevent the cheating of farmer or exploitation of farmer by market functionaries. In this method, uh, the sale is carried out under the supervision of an official and market committee, officials of market committee, in front of under the supervision of market officials of market committee, and the signature of the buyer are taken as soon as the auction is over. Okay, then by this bidding is kept open to all authorized tender, means it is a method of auction bidding, and the highest bidder is uh, given the produce. Okay, then weightman or producer. Weightman means the individual who doing the function of weighing weights and a platform of scale. This eliminates the short weight and malpractices, means unfair trade practices. Electronic weighing balance machines have also been installed in some markets. In some markets, weight brides have been installed. Okay, then grading and grading of the produce. Grading, it is a marketing function basically. In the regulated market, it is expected that sold of any offer grading, because uh, in the absence of facility such as the space, funds and employment of technical expert for grading and the purchase of grading. Okay, equipments, grading scheme has not been fully implemented in the market in country, and then therefore the need of extension of grading and facility to all the market. However, traders have their own conventional grading system. Then new market news services. Okay, in regulated market there is arrangement of proper correct dissemination of market information, like market prices, through various media such as loudspeakers and notice boards. Market ad also provide the information about national portal, which can be accessed by the accessed on the website. Then market charges, it is the regular charges which can be charges as can be collected as a charity, karda, dhalta and muddat were abolished. Then while the rates of other market charges such as commission, brokerage, hamali, weighing charges were specified in the proportion of extent of service rendered by the different middlemen. Later, most of the market charges payable by seller have been transferred to the buyer. The seller have to pay only for the activities undertaken prior to the sale of the produce. Then payment of value. It is compulsory on the buyer to make payment for the purchased produce without deduction of any muddat. In unregulated market, the payment of the price of the produce is made by the buyer after 3 to 15 days of the sale. The produce in accordance with the local market rule. In the past, if the seller instead of cash payment, the buyer would deduct muddat, cash discount, that is to extent of rupees 0.15 to produce worth rupees 100 while making the payment. This practice has been stopped with the regulation of market. Then licensing of market functionaries. all the market functionaries from the hamals, traders working and regulated market have to obtain the license from the market committee after paying the prescribed fees, carrying their own businesses. The licensed traders have to keep proper record and maintain the account accordance with the bylaws of the of the market committee. The proper control of the accounts and the traders and collection of the correct amount of the market fee by the market committee. Then classification of regulated market. It is based on the income. Regulated market have 4 types of classification, or can be classified in the 4 types: grade A, grade B, grade C and grade D. Okay, the income range between the 2.5 crores per annum were recognized as a super category market. After that, those having between 1.50 to 2.50 crores has a grade market. Then between 75 to 1.50 crores as a B, considered as a B grade. Then 25 to 75 lakhs considered as a C grade market, and those having income below 25 lakhs are considered as or categorized as D grade markets. Okay, based on the major commodity transacted, means on the basis of commodity which is transacted in the market, like flowers market, wool market, cotton market, etc. Market committee consists representatives of all sections: farmers, traders, cooperative, marketing society, cooperative and commercial banks, autonomous bodies like panchayat samiti and multiple municipal board of the area and government official. Then supervision. The day-to-day functioning of the regulated market is supervised by the official market committee in the secretary, auction clerks and other staff. The administrative decisions are taken by the nominated elected market committee. Okay, this is from my side. Thank you for